It's not that easy to catch your breath, even though there's not much of movement when you're wearing Spanx. Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung Longast. Welcome to Asian at Home. And today I'm going to show you how to make chicken porridge. So this is actually really good diet food, believe it or not, because you're eating this amount of rice and you feel like you're eating this amount of rice because we put heck out of water. The only downfall is you are hungry 10 minutes later. So anyways, let's get started. First, in a thick bottom pot or wok, add 4 cups of water. And if you're wondering, my wok and where it's coming from, it's from Mommy's Pot from Korea. And I have a link down below where you can purchase with my discount code Seonkyoung. Pour 2 cups of chicken broth. Add 3 cloves of garlic that crushed. 1 ounce of sliced ginger. 4 green onions. Just cut in half like this with your hand and put it in. Turn the heat to high heat and bring it to boil. Then reduce the heat to medium and add 1 bone-in chicken breast with the skin on. So this will have the most flavor. If you cannot find chicken breast with bone-in and skin on, you can use boneless, skinless chicken breast too, or you can use a bone-in, skin-on chicken thigh. That will work. Add half cup of rice. You could just rinse off the rice in the water just one time, but I completely forgot. Guys, when you are like filming and cooking and like doing all this stuff, sometimes I forget, I make mistake during the filming section, okay? So I don't recommend to wash this rice until like clear water or anything because we do want that starch. The half cup of rice probably looks like nothing right now, but just wait until the end. And cover the pot and cook 30 minutes to 35 minutes or until chicken is fully cooked. After 30 minutes, the chicken is fully cooked. I'm going to remove the chicken and I will remove all the ginger slices and the green onion. But I'm not gonna remove the garlic though. I'm just gonna leave it because the garlic will actually all melt down into the porridge and I love the flavors. I'm just gonna leave the garlic but remove the ginger and green onions. After you remove the chicken, cover and reduce the heat to low and simmer for 60 minutes, 1 hour. Now on, we need to stir the porridge here and there occasionally so the porridge won't stuck on the bottom. I'm going to shred the chicken. You can discard the bones and you can discard also the skin, but in Asia, we love chicken skin boiled like this. This is so like a silky and tender and soft. Especially Hanya loves chicken skin like that, so I will keep it, but it's completely up to you, to your taste. When you're done shredding the chicken meat, just go ahead and add it into the porridge and stir in.
I had found everything.
These toppings are completely up to you. You can just spread all this out and having a porridge bar party for brunch and have some mimosa together. It's good to share with your loved ones when you cook something delicious meal in your kitchen, and that's all about Asian at Home.
Last time I got lost, it was inside the maze that we drew around us, traveling aimless and snaking hallways and bumping walls to wake up. Oh no.
If you liked my chicken porridge recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more inspirations and ideas of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching me today. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longast, and this is Asian at Home, and I will see you next time. Bye guys!
The sun that I'll drink and will warm me now that those days have died. California. But you feel like a nest I could rest now